I hope you're all doing well. Hope you're having a great time, enjoying life, you know. If you're new here, my name's Carlie. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Really appreciate it. So, last night I looked on my YouTube and I saw that I have achieved 300 subscribers. Yay! How exciting! Oh my god, I'm just excited. I just thought I don't know if I'm gonna reach 300. You know, I'll be happy every new subscriber I get. So thank you to all of you who have subscribed to me and are supporting me and liking my videos and watching my videos. You know, I really appreciate it and I enjoy doing the videos and making people happy. So thank you. There will be a Q&A coming up to celebrate the 300 subscribers. So keep an eye on my Instagram because I'm going to post a story asking for questions for my Q&A. So look forward to that. So now today's video is going to be 5 different ways that I wear denim. So I've chose 5 different outfits, 5 different pieces of denim, and I'm just going to show you how I'd wear them, what I pair with them, and yeah, this is based on the summer season though, so yeah, let's get into it. So everyone, this is one of the first ways that I would wear denim, which is obviously a skirt form, as you can see. It's a dark wash denim skirt, really cute, love it, from New Look, amazing. Then I'd pair it with this cute little top, and this is from, I saw it first, it's a nice rib top with all different colours. It's got red, blue, white, all these colours, and it's a halter net. I would pair it with a pair of sandals. These sandals are from New Look. They're like Hermes style sandals. That's what I call them anyway. So yeah, this is number 1 denim. So this is the second way that I would wear denim. Pair of denim shorts. These are dark wash denim shorts, and these are from Primark. They have a nice frayed, really cute, and I'd pair it with t-shirt or yeah, kind of any top really. Today I've paired it with this cute 90s baby.
I'm in my 90s baby. 90s baby.
Sorry, that was in my head. TikTok. Anyway, 90s baby top, blue writing, really cute. It's from I saw it first. It's actually an oversized top like this, but I don't want to wear it like that, so I just like do that, twist it up at the back, tuck it in, and you know, there we go, banging. So this is from I saw it first, if I didn't say. And I'll pair it with a cute pair of white low top Converses. I recently bought these because I had a pair. Sorry, hair. I can just feel hair in my eye. Where did I get them from? Office, I think. Gone from Office. They're leather ones, just because the ones I had before were material, and I've had them for about 4 years. So I just thought, I think I might need to get a new pair. So yeah, would wear these with this outfit. Really cute. So love it. So that's outfit 2. So this is the third option of how I would wear denim. So this is in a denim dress, obviously. It's got a little collar, lovely. It's from Zara. So yeah, that's what I would wear. Oh, put that down a bit. Right, yeah, so this is such an easy outfit. Like, it's a denim outfit and you don't even have to really like pair anything with it. So I just love it, mate. Chuck it on, bosh. And I'd wear it with these sandals. They're a white version of the Hermes sandals. These are a white version of the Hermes sandals that I showed earlier. These have got like little print on them, so yeah, perfect. That is what you call an easy outfit. Bosh. So this is the 4th way I would wear denim. So this is a black boiler playsuit. It's from Primark. It's got a silver zip down the front, and you can, like, with a little ring, do it up, down, brilliant. It's got a ruched waist. So that was a bit of a tongue twister, wasn't it? Anyway, so it cinches you in, you know, very cute. Love it. I love the style of this playsuit. It's very easy and put together. You look like, you know, you've made a lot of effort, but you've just put it on, chucked it on in it. Like, it's very stylish. Yeah, it's got 2 pockets at the front here, a collar, and yeah, ain't got no pockets at the back. So I would wear this outfit with me white Converses again, what I showed earlier. Just I feel like they would go really nice with this outfit. Yeah, very cute. So there you go, outfit number 4. So everyone, this is the final way I'd wear denim. There obviously is more ways I'd wear denim, but in the current what's this thing called? In the current season, there you go. In the current season, these are the kind of things I would wear. So it's obviously a denim jacket, real cute, nice colour. Yeah, so this is from Zara. This denim jacket. I think I got it like 2 years ago, and I just love it. Like, I've paired it with this dress. This is a pink ruffled 2-layer dress, and it's from Superdry. And then I would wear these shoes with this outfit, which are the sandals. They're the wrong way around. The sandals from Torres, Menorca. Love them. Yeah, so I just love it, because you could just be like, oh, take it off. Oh, put it on. Do you know what I mean? If you get a bit nippy, you can just chuck a denim jacket on, and you know, you don't have to worry. So yeah, and you can also chuck it over your shoulder and be like, cool kid, you know. Or you can some girls wear it like this, don't they? They get it and they put it just on their shoulders. They don't put their arms in the holes. They just put it on the shoulders, because it gives it that cool effect. You know what I mean? Like, I'm wearing it, but I ain't wearing it. So yeah, really cute. You know, loved it. So everyone, that was the 5 different ways. Oh, for God's sake, why is my hair always getting in my face? Anyway, so that was the 5 different ways that I would style denim throughout the summer. You know, I also style things very different ways. I could probably wear that dress in the winter too with a pair of tights. Do you know what I mean? And denim jacket, you know, you wear that any time, didn't you? Who really cares? But yeah, so if you did enjoy my video, please let me know by liking down below, subscribing to my channel, commenting any recommendations. You know, I'm open to anything. Let me know what you want to see, any recommendations you've got, or how you wear your denim, you know, all that kind of stuff. And also share the video with your family, friends, and turn on that notification bell. Alright, I will link everything that I can find down below, or a similar item. If I can't find it, sorry, some of my clothes are not from this year, but you know, we move, don't we? So, but anyway, have a good week, enjoy life, enjoy the sun, and be happy. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye.